Face ID disabled on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it in minutes. First, clean the front camera area. For this, look at the top of your iPhone where the Face ID sensors are located. Using a soft, clean cloth, gently wipe the top area of the screen to remove any dust, fingerprints, or dirt. If Face ID is still unavailable, move on to the next step. Second, reset Face ID. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. Now, scroll down and look for the Reset Face ID option and tap on it. This removes your current Face ID. After resetting Face ID, exit the Settings app. The next step is to force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons in quick succession. Then immediately press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, even if the slide to power off screen appears. Continue holding it until the screen turns completely black, and once you see the Apple logo, you can release the side button. Your iPhone has now completed a force restart. After your iPhone restarts, proceed to set up your Face ID like you normally would. Next, check if Face ID is working again. I hope this helped fix the issue.